This old guy DIY video has to do with refurbishing the cup holder on a 25-year-old pontoon. So this is what the bottom of the old cup holder looked like. It was down in there. I pushed it out to make room for a new one, purchased from Walmart today for $4. And when I go to drop it in, it makes contact with this shoulder. So right now, I'm going to take this Dremel tool. It just has one of those cutting blades on it. I'm going to cut this entire step out and then see if from a sizing standpoint this cup holder will just drop in that hole, a little bit of 5300 along the edge, and that'll be good forever. We'll see. This is what the piece looks like that was cut out. You see, precision Dremel work is not one of my strong suits. I cut the old one out. Now we'll see if the new one sits in there. Now with the hole that remains, I can take this cup holder from Walmart. It just drops down nice and smoothly. It looks new. So now I'll get some of that 5300 adhesive, put it along the edge, drop it in, and she'll be good for another 20 years. I hope this little technique helped you, and have a great day.